What is up, everybody? Today's video is going to be an explanation for the assignments on May 13th and 14th. We're going to do a really fun experiment, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Real quick, I want to let you guys know that unlike the video from 2 days ago or yesterday, I'm not going to give you as much help, so you're going to have to do more work on your own. So be prepared for that, but it'll still be easy, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's get to it.
Alright, so today's experiment is called the Wicked Witch of the West, and you'll find out why that is in a little bit. So our materials that we're going to use for this experiment today are these three things. We're going to use 100 milliliters of 100% acetone. This is what you would use to get fingernail polish off your fingers. You can buy it at any CVS, Rite Aid, or any grocery store. But the one thing that you need to be cautious of is your environment. If you don't have open windows or fans going, this could really affect you and hurt your brain. So I have windows open and a fan going to protect me. I also have a small dish and a styrofoam cup. These are the materials that we are going to use today. Just like our melting ice experiment, we need to follow the same procedures. So we're going to find the mass and the temperature of our materials before we start. So I happen to have our scale right here, and I'm going to weigh our materials. Alright, come check it out. Now let's find the mass of the styrofoam cup. Got it. This next part can be a little tricky, so make sure you're paying attention. We need to measure the mass of just the liquid in the acetone. So what we're going to do first is measure just the glass beaker by itself. Now that we have the mass for just the glass cup, we need to fill it up and get the mass of the cup and the acetone. Got it. Come check it out. Now that we have the mass for all of our materials, we need to figure out the temperature of the liquid because that's our main component. So I'm going to use our thermometer and see what we get.
What do you think is going to happen when we put the styrofoam cup into the acetone?
Now let's get to the experiment and figure out why it's called the Wicked Witch of the West. So we don't need our thermometer at the moment, so I'm going to set it to the side here. And I'm going to pour our acetone into our cup. And as you see here, I have a witch on this cup. You guys remember what happened to the Wicked Witch of the West in Wizard of Oz? Let's check it out. I'm melting! I'm melting! So tight. Now that we've melted the Wicked Witch, let's do our post-experiment measurements. So first, we're going to do the temperature, see if anything changed. Alright, come check it out. Now that we have the temperature, let's check the mass of what has happened. Alright, come check it out. Now that we've completed the experiment, it's time to reflect on our initial predictions. Were your predictions correct? What you thought was going to happen, did it really happen? Now's your time to write that down. I hope you enjoyed this experiment. Stay tuned, we're going to do more like this, and I hope you guys have a great day.